Today you are looking at a 1.5 horsepower hazardous duty motor steel exhaust blower brought to you by Lanco. This unit is wired for 460 but can be wired for 230. This has an inlet of 17 inches and an outlet of 16 inches. The dimensions on this are 46 inches long, 36 inches wide, with a height of 46 inches. This weighs 300 pounds and has an RPM of 1,740. This product has been tested and we can turn it on. You can see it run there. If you want to purchase this, you can give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at lanco-corp.com.